Welcome to Fun with the Immune System, your comprehensive guide. The immune system works to protect the body by recognizing foreign bodies and by producing immune cells and proteins. The immune system can be divided into two types of immunity: adaptive immunity, which uses humoral and cell-mediated responses, and innate immunity, which uses barriers and other internal defenses. Adaptive immunity is singular to vertebrates and is often called acquired immunity. This is because, prior to exposure, there are no immune cells in the form of B or T cells present. In the case of exposure, antigens are introduced into the body system. The antigens initiate a response from the immune system, which activates B and T cells. The B and T cells adapt to fight these specific new antigens, the memory of which the body will retain forever in case of future exposure. Innate immunity is present in all animals from the time of birth on. Innate immunity fights infection immediately upon exposure, albeit in a less specific manner than acquired immunity. After exposure, the innate immune system is readily available for a first attack on the new antigen. And now, a quick word from our sponsors, Barrier Defenses.
In stock now are the most superior of all barrier defenses. That's right, we have skin, and now for 50% off, you can get your skin today for extra protection from foreign substances.
As you know, skin is a very important part of your immune system, but you probably didn't know that the low pH of skin prevents growth of bacteria.
We do not sell to cannibals.
But that's not all.
For a limited time only, we'll also throw in
Mucous membranes!
membranes!
Mucus traps allow for the removal of microbes.
If you need your microbes removed, please call 666-LOL-9999 for more information. Thank you.
On sale now, skin, mucous membranes, and secretions.
Good evening, peasants. This is your queen speaking. As you know, we have recently undergone a dragon attack. It's a travesty. But I'm pleased to share with you that the King and I have recently reinforced our defense system with the help of B and T white blood cell knights. I'm confident that they will help us in the face of another attack.
I'm a lymphocyte, but you can call me T-cell. White blood cells like me mature in the thymus gland, up above the heart. I direct attacks on foreign substances, and produce cytokines and augment B-cell responses. B-cell, activate.
Thank you, T-cell. I'm also a lymphocyte, but you can call me B-cell. I trained and matured in the bone marrow, and I produce antibodies. I can be differentiated from other white blood cells by the presence of a protein on the B-cell's outer surface known as a B-cell receptor. This specialized receptor protein allows a B-cell to bind to a specific antigen.
And now back to Fun with Science. Inflammatory responses brought about by the immune system can be either local, contained to one area of the body, as in the case of an infection, or systemic, throughout the body, as in the case of a fever. Inflammatory response is triggered by pyrogens released by macrophages and by toxins released from pathogens. Septic shock is a life-threatening condition caused by an overwhelming inflammatory response.
So what happens if you don't have an immune system?